everyone and welcome to Chatar Matha. আজকে আমি অদ্ভুত একটা ভিডিওতে রিঅ্যাক্ট করব। অ্যাপারেন্টলি টিএলসিতে কিছু রিয়ালিটি শো হয়, টিএলসিতে অনেক রকম রিয়ালিটি শো হয়, অনেক কিছু হয়। সো এই পার্টিকুলার রিয়ালিটি শোটা হলো গিয়ে দুনিয়ার সব থেকে কিপটা মানুষদেরকে নিয়ে। আর কোনো টপিক খুঁজে পাইনি, টিএলসি শেষ পর্যন্ত কিপটা মানুষদেরকে নিয়ে আসছে। সো এনিওয়ে, সো আমি অ্যাকচুয়ালি পুরো ভিডিওটা এখনো দেখিনি, বিকজ আই ওয়ান্টেড মাই রিঅ্যাকশন টু বি জেনুইন। দেখা যাক দুনিয়ার সব থেকে কিপটা মানুষরা এক্স্যাক্টলি কি করে। সো লেটস গেট অন উইথ ইট। First one, okay. What we have here?
Haley went to school and she got her cosmetology license, and she came to me and said, "Hey, Dad, I'm out of school now, so I start working for you doing hair." I agreed, and one of the best decisions I made. Before Palin started working here, we used to just sweep it up and throw the hair away. But since she's been here, she's been collecting it.
I have long hair, short hair, straight hair, curly hair, kinky hair. It doesn't matter. I collect it because hair has a lot of uses. I use it for a fertilizer.
চুল দিয়ে আমি প্রথম দেখলাম যে গাছে ফার্টিলাইজার দেওয়া হয়। হ্যাঁ,
Have you ever heard of plant food?
I'm not going to spend money on plant food. It's not food for me. I use the long strands of hair for the couch cushions because if you stuff it inside, it just makes it more comfortable to sit on. Once you put the hair in it, see, this one, it makes the couch a lot softer.
Hairstylist Palin Mathis is hosting a bridal party at her salon in rural Georgia.
The most expensive thing about having bridal parties at the shop is they want expensive lotions, expensive creams. I actually figured out a way I could host these bridal parties without spending very much money at all.
That's not your money, right? I mean, তোমার ক্লায়েন্ট তোমাকে টাকা দিচ্ছে, সো তুমি তোমার ক্লায়েন্টের টাকা দিতে তুমি প্রোডাক্টগুলো কিনছো দেন। Okay, I mean, how cheap can she be?
Expensive shampoo is a total scam.
Expensive products are total scam. Acha. Okay. Let's wait.
A lot of people don't know this, but a lot of salons that I've gone to actually use products that are really for animals.
No. Hold on. Hold that F down. Okay. I've been to a lot of places. I went to a lot of salons. Okay. আমি বাপের জন্মে কোথাও দেখিনি কোন রেপুটেটেড salon-এ animal shampoo use করে। Never saw that. I hope she's kidding. I really hope that she's kidding. She's in a farm. She's actually is in a farm.
How's it going?
Hi, how are you?
Pretty good. How can we help you today?
I'm a salon owner, and I'm throwing this big bridal party. I was thinking if you guys had a couple items you could sell me.
My reaction is like that guy. Oh, that poor guy. I mean, the poor guy.
Bridal party? Everything we got's for animals.
Is it okay if I look in the shed?
Yeah, go ahead.
Sure.
Wait, okay, actually,
I knew I could find some of the beauty supplies at the farm.
I don't know, beauty supplies might be okay at a farm. They made you beautiful.
No.
The Mane and Tail shampoo, a lot of salons actually use that product. So I knew I hit a gold mine. Litter.
What kitty litter? Why?
Clay kitty litter has the exact same ingredients that you would find in a $200 clay face mask.
What in the world could you use kitty litter for?
It'll work perfect for like a face mask.
Never heard of such. Must be a city thing. I don't know what she's gonna do with that. Gonna make mud out of it or something, put it on people's faces.
No.
Yeah,
What in the world are you gonna do with that? She got 2 big jugs of petroleum jelly for cows' udders to keep them tender for when the calves are sucking on them.
I have about 50 ways to use petroleum jelly. Let me see. You can use it for your lip balm, salt scrub, a foot scrub. You can use it for just about anything.
Oh, yeah, feed my old farmer's hand.
Yeah.
And
Yes, petroleum jelly is good for your skin, your hand, everything. But petroleum jelly actually অনেকগুলো গ্রেড আছে, ওকে, যেটা আমাদের মানুষের মুখে যেটা ইউজ করা হয় সেটার গ্রেড একরকম, অ্যানিমালদের জন্য যেটা ইউজ করা হয় সেটার গ্রেড আরেক রকম। ওয়েট, কসমেটোলজির কোর্স করেছে এই মেয়ে? সিরিয়াসলি?
Fantasy foot scrub. The chocolate fantasy consists of chocolate chips, salt, and petroleum jelly. Then I stick it in the microwave and melt it, and I mix it up.
So you're gonna put chocolate chips on people?
Yep.
Oh.
Now what is
That is disgusting. No, get away.
Okay,
Ran-
ladies,
woman,
we have
ran
some
away, ran
cakes
away.
for you and some finger sandwiches.
These puppies off here?
Okay, we're gonna get your hands looking great.
This is a scrub. This is our famous chocolate fantasy. It's organic. When I was rubbing it in, that chocolate fantasy,
organic.
after a while, it really smelled good to me.
It came from a farm.
Oh, it feels good. Yes. It's our special clay mask.
Yeah.
Very exfoliating.
You know what? After এই যে এই এপিসোডটা যখন লঞ্চ হয়েছে, এরপরে এই লোকের সেলুনে কেউ যাবে না, এই লোকের সেলুনে কেউ যাবে না, এই মেয়ের কাছেও কেউ যাবে না। মানে দিস ইজ ডিসকাস্টিং।
Really glad I came to Palin and Rob's shop. This has been a really great way for me to start off my wedding.
Your wedding is
I'm
gonna be
always gonna be a
forever.
saver. I think nothing's probably ever gonna change.
Oh God. So that was one of the America's cheapskate beauty salon owner. Oh God, I mean, I need a break from this. I seriously, I mean, ভাবিনি যে আমার প্রথম এপিসোড, আমার প্রথম ভিডিও রিয়াকশনে এত জঘন্য একটা ভিডিও হবে। আমার ব্রেন এখনো কাজ করতেছে না। সো oh my God, I hope to see you guys next time, and please subscribe. Bye bye.